Welcome to this lesson. So let's see how to create a book cover. So go to your search bar, type book cover. That's what we'll be searching for. And then we have quite a number of book covers here. So let's just click on book covers and see. So you see we have lovely book covers that you can edit. Oh, I like this one. So let's tap on it and see. So this is a very beautiful book cover. You can have a blank template to create the book cover that you want, so you can find a book cover that you like and recreate, just explore it. But in this lesson, let's just look at how we can explore this one. This book cover is really beautiful. I like the text, and you can change the name of the author, you can change it to whatsoever you like. I think everything looks nice here. So you can go to design and explore different book covers that you want to use. Look at this one, it's beautiful. You can also go to element, then let's search for beach. Beach, let's search for that, and then you see quite a number of images in beach. So let's say we want to use let's say this one. So in order for us to reset the background, all we need to do is to tap on this icon, slide, then replace background, and that background has been replaced. To go back, just go here and it goes back, then you delete it. You can delete this. Yeah, so that's pretty much how to edit um book covers from templates, and also you can do it from the scratch as well. As you can see, this is something you can change to anything that you want. Can change this one too as well. So everything is editable on the template. So let's say we want to save this book cover and use it as a mock-up. So all we need to do is to go here, click on download, and want to change from PDF to PNG, and we're going to be saving page 1 because that's where we have 2 designs, but it's page 1 that we want to save. And then we click on download. Once it has downloaded, we're just going to go to a new template, then we're going to go to upload. We're going to upload that what we downloaded into our images. So you see here it has been uploaded. Just go ahead, it's uploading. Yes, it's uploaded. I'm just going to close it. Then we're going to go to our mockups right here. Then here we can now search for mockups that we want to use. So let's see in this print, let's see different mockups that we can use. This is a little, okay, this is a book as well. So it looks like a book or a tablet. So let's see if we can find a book. There are actually 2 different ways that you can mock up. I'm going to show you in a bit. This is the first way, which is something we've already explored. This is a book. This is a book as well. Okay, this one is a journal. This is a pamphlet. So let's use this one. No, that one does not look like a book. Let's see. Okay, let's use this one. So when we tap on it, this is what we have. We're just going to increase it a bit, and then we'll go to our uploaded images. We're going to tap on that one, and we're going to put it there. So it's taking a while to load before we see it. And you see, isn't that just beautiful? That's so beautiful. That's a beautiful mock-up. Then the second way to do it is to go to, so when we go to frames, when you go to frames, you can see quite a number of frames here. Basic shapes, paper, flower, retro, alphabet, numbers, and quite a number of shapes here as well. And you can even see devices. If we want the book to be, if the book is like an ebook, you can just click on tab, extend it the way you want, then go to upload, tap on it, and okay, no, this is not what we wanted to use. Upload, tap on this one, and then we're going to insert it there. So it doesn't really fit much, so to do that, you just select it, go to crop, and just drag it down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If it doesn't fit, you can always delete it, delete the frame. You can go to mockup, look for another mockup that you feel would fit that particular thing that you want to mock up, whether it's a book, whatever it is, and then just explore it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for book design. Go ahead and create a book cover. Go ahead and create a book cover. You can create it for yourself, you can create it for your friends, your family, and yeah, just explore it. I'll see you in the next lesson.